I think that make the truck look real good. Just put it on the stock wheels. I still think I'm going to change those out. I don't know what we're going to get just yet, but we are on a budget, you know, so we can't just go too crazy. So, you know, maybe we'll get some black ones with some little milled aluminum. I don't know yet, but we're hoping to. And like I said before, we are going to get a cheap lift just to retain the factory ride. Just put some blocks under there. But this truck's coming along. What is going on? Here we are again, back with our little Tacoma. Last video you saw us, we painted all of this up here, cleared the whole top. Our goal was to get the windshield in before it rained so we could let this truck outside. But guess what? We got a problem. Already we got a problem right there. Our new windshield is cracked. So, not to worry. They're gonna cut it back out and put us another new windshield right back in. So at least we got something in there to keep it out of the rain. So, you know, our top looks really good. Our paint looks really good up there. So now, today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to pull this sucker up on the frame machine. And we're gonna pull some of this stuff out right here. And I mean, this is crinkled up. We've ordered a bunch of parts from Toyota. Most of them, if not all of them, are already here. We got all of these parts. So I'm hoping that we can get in here and get a hold of this. Just pull it out easy as pie. And another thing we're gonna do, we're gonna measure this frame to make sure it ain't got a diamond in it, because, you know, I mean, it could have. So we're gonna measure that. We're going to do all that. We're going to get it up on the frame machine, maybe take the rear bumper off, just so we can be ready. So we're going to get started, and we'll see if we can get some of this done. All right, we're about to take this bumper off. We got to get him off. Be easier to get it off now than it will be once we get it on the frame machine. So we're going to use our Harbor Freight Earthquake impact wrench to zip this sucker off. We made quick work of that. It was stuck on there a little bit. We persuaded it with a hammer, just tap, tap, tap. We used the good old Harbor Freight Earthquake to screw all the bolts out. Makes their life extremely easy. Those are all 17 millimeters, so we just shot them right out, drug the bumper right off, and now if we have to pull the frame, we got a good place right here to pull. So just didn't want to do that up on the frame machine. Ain't 100% sure if we're going to need to, but we won't be ready in case we are. So what we're going to do now is we're going to drive it right up on there, get it tied down, see if we can pull on it for a little bit. All right, so we fired him up, got it right up here on the frame machine. Now what we're going to do, we're going to lift this sucker up, get it all leveled up, then we're going to strap it down and start pulling in this area right here. So that's what we want to pull probably first. And then we're going to check out the frame, get under there and exit out, and kind of see where we're at after that. All right. So we got him all up and leveled up on the frame machine. So now, very important step we're going to do. We're going to raise up the hood. Check out that brand new battery that we bought. So what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect the battery, both sides, and we're going to get this sucker out of here because it's in our way anyway. But that way our SRS system stays intact and we don't blow out any airbags inside the old truck. We're down here under our little Tacoma. We just got through Xing out the frame just to check and see where we are at. And it is perfect, just like what we thought. So I did take that rear bumper off for nothing, but it's real easy to get put back on. So all right, we're gonna put the stick up. We're gonna get up and get to pulling on the front end, get some of this sheet metal damage out of the way. Hooked down to the frame machine. We got it tied down a little bit. We're not going to have to pull too hard on it because frame's okay. So we're just going to try to ease some of this sheet metal out, get it all back in place so we can cut all of that out and weld our new parts in. So we pulled on that piece, got him out a little bit. And then this piece right here, and this and all of this, we're going to replace all of that. So we just wanted to pull on it while we could on this old stuff so that we don't pull on our new stuff. Kind of want to make the wheel well fit. So once I drill all of these wells out here, then I can take and flatten this on up. And then this piece right here, it just got a little bit of damage right there. It's not bad at all. I think we can maybe straighten it up. I mean, we got this piece, so we might put it on there. We might not. If it don't have to have it, it don't have to have it. So that's kind of where we're at. So this right here is a little sneak peek you see right behind me here. I mean, this wasn't supposed to happen. You look right behind me, you see it there. The hood came in today with a big hole right in the middle. But that's okay. This truck ain't supposed to have a hood scoop, but looks like we got a hood from Toyota with a hood scoop, so we're just going to order the hood scoop, and we're going to have a hood with a hood scoop. Go check that out. That looks real good. Not too bad. Not too bad. So we're going to get this, we're going to get our tools put up. We're going to get this thing back off the frame machine, stick the bumper back on, and we'll see where we're at then. This piece right here is what we got to go right into there from Toyota. So we're going to get on that next. We're going to get all of this stuff drilled out. We're going to drill this piece off, put it back to the side, weld it back on, and we're going to get this whole piece off, and we're going to get this thing fixed. All right, so finishes up for today. We spent a couple hours up on the frame machine, just kind of pulling out on that sheet metal, just real easy, just so we can just work it back out, make it easier for us in the long run. So that stuff tears real easy. You might could do it with a jerk stick, I don't know, but we just use a frame machine, it's easier. We measured the frame out, the frame measures good, so I think we're gonna be in good shape there. You know, everything's coming back together. I'm a little bummed out about the windshield up there, having a little crack in it, but hey, that's okay, and that's part of it. You know, that happens. So they're going to put us a new one in, and we'll have it. But the goal was accomplished. We wanted the truck to sit outside, so she's sitting outside, and that's all we can ask for, you know. And if you like what we're doing here, you know, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We're trying to do our best for you, and if you don't like it, give us a thumbs down, tell us why. You know, leave us a comment, let us know how we're doing. Until next time, we're out.